review about the Action Baby Carrier. This is our Action Baby Carrier. This is the Happy Print and we love this. We love using the Action Baby Carrier because it is easy to use. Let me show you.
Uy, diyan kita. Dapat nilagay.
See? The Action Baby Carrier is easy to use. Let's put your arms inside. Whenever I use this, I always had a free hand, so I can do anything the things that needs to be done inside the house, especially dishwashing. It also has a hood, so whenever we're out and she's sleeping, I can put it like this. Tulog ka na? Yup. See? Ah. My daughter loves to be in this. Yeah, look. This is a video. Right. We love the Action Baby Carrier because it has this hood, lovely print, then the crisscross straps, and the hip belt. When with this crisscross straps, the weight is evenly spread on the back. So, I have no backache with this. Compared to my first SSC, this is really great. And now I will show you how to put him on, which is also easy.